Yeah, so there's my tour guide with me. Alright. Come on. Look at this. It's nice.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family. The Delpratt Family.
Hey guys, what go on?
Hey guys, what's up?
Welcome back to the Delpratt Family, guys. Alright, so today we're just providing some updates on a development that we've been speaking about on this channel for quite some time. Alright, so now there is some development, some improvements to the situation.
So basically, a lot of the properties that we highlighted as up and coming properties last year, they're actually coming up and they're starting. So movement is going on, guys. It's getting exciting. So I hope that you guys watched our videos, and I hope that you guys capitalize on the information there, because if you did, you're in luck.
Yeah. All right, so basically what we're talking about is the shooters in development, right? I know a lot of persons personally as well, they've been eagerly anticipating this development. All right, so this development is actually a more affordable option.
Yes.
Right.
And you have I think four different categories to select from. So you can select from the 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom with 1 bath, 2 bedroom with 2 baths, or you can select from a 3 bedroom, right babe? So there's also a 3 bedroom with a split level units. Right, and that's going to be for 17.5 million according to the article that we are seeing out now on the properties. So yeah, it's exciting news,
right.
And because we're seeing it, we want to bring it to you guys, because I mean, you know, movement, excitement,
right.
There is something to look forward.
Alright guys, I'm gonna interrupt the video for a brief minute just to tell you about the anime chem tutor right here on YouTube. Alright, link is in the description. The Anime Chem Tutor is a channel that basically it teaches about some difficult subjects in chemistry, some difficult topics in chemistry.
Yeah.
Alright, he's actually a teacher based here in Jamaica. Right, I know the person personally. Right, it's not a paid promotion or anything like that. It's just I know the channel and I know the potential.
Content.
Yes, know the content and the potential of this channel. And I know a lot of persons, they study chemistry, but they struggle. Whether you're doing it in CXC, Cape, university, whatever, these topics that he covers, they are very good and it will really help you guys. So link is in the description. Go over, give them a subscribe and leave a like as well, guys. So back to regular programming. There are still certain questions that are coming up, such as, well, questions to answer that we already did in previous videos.
Yeah.
Right, like how do you go about purchasing a unit, right? Link is in the description, the info card for that.
Yeah.
Alright, so you can look in the info card for links that we did. Closing costs, all of that, videos previously done. How to purchase units, whether you're overseas or here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Right, so all of those videos will be in the description and in the info card, guys, so you can check those out.
And we will be doing a video basically ranking the properties that we've discussed so far.
Yes.
Telling you our opinion on them. Of course, this will be our personal opinion.
Right.
Right. So we will be doing that video, and I like it. I like it. So it will be very good. It will be interesting to see your comments as well.
Yes.
So ensure that you guys are in the comments. All right. We want to hear from you.
Right. There are persons who actually ask us, what we think about the different developments that we've done, and it's kind of difficult to really say this one or that one. So it really depends on situation based. So we will be going through all of that.
Yeah.
Because I know a lot of persons, they are overseas, them or even in Jamaica too, but them in a certain area of the country, and them want to have an idea, a real feel of what's going on. So we're gonna be doing a video on that as well. So guys, we're going down now to the development, so we'll be showing you what's up. So we're actually on Hellshire Road right now, right? Basically, this development is on Hellshire Road on your way to Hellshire. So
come with us,
guys. Alright guys, so as I say, on Helsha Road, right? Greater Portmore is actually on your right. You know, just now passing Gortuka.
Over that side, it's on the right, Greater Portmore, right?
This is a popular Open Bible Church right here, another person might know. And this is the entrance to Greater Portmore. The second entrance to Greater Portmore. Alright. Alright. So you can see the land here being cleared for Shooters Hill. Alright. Alright guys, so basically is this site. Alright. All of 157 acres of what they call low to middle income housing. Alright.
You can see they're just setting up, right?
Gonna bring it to a development just up the road that had been done before on a similar kind of land, just for you to get basically a feel as to the potential. So actually the development gonna be, you know, the stretcher here and on top of the hill basically. So yes, this is the site for Shooters Hill, and them have them heavy duty equipment out here right now clearing the land. Alright, so for purchasing information you can definitely visit the housing agency at Jamaica's website. Alright, link will be in the description as well. Alright. Yeah, so there's my tour guide with me. Alright. Come on. This is it. It's really nice. It will be really good to see how far up they're gonna go with the houses and so on, you know. It'll be really interesting. So, I like the vibe actually be building on top of the hill, not true?
Yeah, true. I do. It means that they have potential for a very scenic.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
And a very, very nice design. Because you know them are going to give you the minimum, which is a 2-bedroom or a 1-bedroom house or whatever. But of course now, you can build onto that where you want, you know? Yeah. Will make it much more nice, a lot more interesting. Yes, as I say guys, we're going to be going just up the street to another development to show you basically the potential. Another development that was basically built on the side of a hill similar to this. Right, so you can definitely have an idea as to the potential and, you know, what to expect basically. Yeah guys, so basically, as I say, Helsha Road, right, so 157 acres along the stretch.
And guys, you're closer to the beach.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, who is excited about that? Who is excited about being Jaden is excited about it. You're closer to the beach, right? Yeah.
Alright guys, so on our way to the other development, of course, Helsha. So there is a new monument.
Yeah. Crocodile attraction.
Yeah, a sign, a nice little sign. Alright, so we're going, as we said, going up to the other development to give straight have an idea what the potential of Shooters Hill. Alright, so that's the entrance to Helsha, right?
Right there?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah man, but we're gonna continue straight.
Okay guys, so we're now at Sand Hills Vista, and this is the community we were mentioning before, that this community is built on a slope, it's built on a hill, so we'll be carrying you through it.
Alright, so this basically there are some of the houses that are actually on the flat, and then some that are constructed on the slope. So basically you know, the different variation, you know, you can take advantage based on that. You can choose depending on what you want. This section here, basically these houses are on the lower section.
Here, these are on the flat.
Right. And we're gonna go around to the side where the houses are on the incline.
So we're going up the slopes now. So we are not saying that this is what it's gonna look like, guys. But we're
Exactly.
giving you an example of another community that is set in a similar position.
So the incline section them here now.
Yeah.
So the houses there and some like columns and stuff like that.
So you have the potential to expand and get a basement.
Yeah,
Basically.
exactly. And there are some persons too who they're like back of the house, kind of against the foot of the hill, like, so you can,
Yeah.
you know, I guess these were lots. These were sold as lots.
Yeah.
And
so
not houses.
Yeah. So these were lots. So as you can see there.
And there are lots here on
Yes.
the left.
The
Here,
persons got lots. So you can open them and show them. Beautiful.
Right, so these are like lots. I don't know if they are sold already or if they are in the process. I don't know. So people are make some massive structures on the lot them.
Yeah.
It's a nice area though.
Yep. And you have the Caribbean Sea right in view.
Nice, see?
Yeah.
So all these are lots on this side. Not sure about, you know, how to go about purchasing those for sure, I can tell you. Alright. A nice little community.
Yeah, we like.
Sandhill Vistas. So Shooters Hill it has the potential to look like this,
Yeah.
you know, or even better depending on, you know.
The new improved design.
Right.
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching.
Yep.
And it was another good one.
Yes.
Guys, remember to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video.
Yes.
And remember to turn on your post notifications so you know every single time we post a video.
Yeah guys, so we just tour scenic Elsha.
Yeah.
Alright, we can probably do some more videos around this area because actually we are interested in acquiring lots in this section.
Yeah.
So that's something that we are looking into.
Also, it's a very beautiful place. We like it.
Yes.
We like the environment.
Yeah guys, so we're gonna leave you with, you know, this view. Alright guys, so again, please hit the like button if you like the video and hit the subscription button if you haven't subscribed as yet. Alright guys.
Bye.
Yeah.